to Voices of Women Professional Connect, where we bring you inspiring conversation with women leaders, entrepreneurs, and change makers, creating impact across industries. I'm Sujata Sangeet, your host and founder of Ignite and Ascend. I'm here to empower women through stories, leadership, growth, and meaningful conversation. Today's episode is truly inspiring and it's very special to me and it's dear to my heart. You know why? We are going to have an inspiring leader who has empowered countless number of women through business, leadership, and community building. She is a visionary leader, HR expert, and a force behind a growing community which supports millions of women entrepreneurs, not only within India, but crossing borders and nations. We are also in Dubai. You know who? It's none other than Renuka Gauri Shankar, founder of Women Professional Connect. Welcome, Renuka.
Thank you. Very warm welcome for me. Thank you so much, Sujata.
Thank you, Renuka.
research பண்ணிருக்கீங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
ஆமா அப்புறம் உங்க கூட பேசணும்னா we have to do a lot of things, right? We can't come like that.
Thank you. சொல்லுங்க சுஜாதா.
So yes, now we are going to start the first segment of it, unscripted with her. Yes, Renuka, we have seen a lot of faces of yours, but we would like to know, you have been in a lot of professions and lot of lines of professions like HR, mom, community builder, and now you're in textile business as well. So I would like you to share the journey. How was it? Was it like, a butter cake, or was it ups and downs, or was it smooth? How was it?
So growth won't be a butter cake. So I start my career as a recruiter, but before that I have many challenges where my thought process while I'm studying is I want to become a homemaker.
Wow.
I have to take care of my husband and kid, and I want to be beautifully inside the home and want to have a dream of making home clean. But after that, life has some certain plan where we doesn't expect. Like that, the recessions came and there is a job not assurance for my husband. So there is the say like கண்டிப்பா நாம இந்த இடத்துல வெளியே போய் தான் ஆகணும் அப்படின்ற இடத்துல I step out from the home and I search for a job where I end up with a tutorial teacher, physics chemistry.
Wow, okay.
This is how my employment journey starts. So other experience was I went to Infant Jesus Matriculation School as a physics chemistry teacher for 10th and 12th.
Wow.
So this is how my journey done. அப்புறம் my husband HR ல இருக்கனால why don't you shift to HR for corporate life அப்படின்னு சொன்னேன். So I am ready to try. Then I கோயம்புத்தூர் shift ஆனோம். கோயம்புத்தூர்ல I become a HR recruiter. This is how my journey started. ஆனா வந்து pregnancy அப்படின்னு ஒரு விஷயம் எல்லா உமனையும் ஸ்டாப் பண்ற மாதிரி எனி ஸ்டாப் பண்ணக்கூடாதுன்றதுக்காண்டி I choose a freelancer opportunity. So pregnancy ஒரு பக்கம் நான் டேக் கேர் பண்ணிட்டே இருந்தாலும் இன்னொரு பக்கம் வந்து done a freelancer journey where I work from home from 2011 and 12 as a senior recruiter for Unati. It's a company where dealing with recruitment. So work from home la நான் work பண்ண experience வச்சு again work from home la Orcopad ஒரு கம்பெனில work பண்ணேன். So இப்படி நிறைய corporate experience HDFC ல being a HR. ஆனா pregnancy journey காண்டி நான் என்னோட ஆஃப்லைன் ஜாப் இது பண்ணிட்டு ஆன்லைன்ல நான் வந்து இது பண்ணேன். கோவிட்க்கு அப்புறம் தான் ஒர்க் ஃப்ரம் ஹோம்னு ஒண்ணு வந்து ரொம்ப க்ளோரிஃபை ஆச்சு. பட் அதுக்கு முன்னாடியே ஒர்க் ஃப்ரம் ஹோம் பண்ண ஒரு ப்ரௌட் நான் என்னைய சொல்லிக்கலாம். ஒர்க் ஃப்ரம் ஹோம் தான் வந்து we did a lot. So அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் யோசிச்சேன் நம்ம ஒரு பிசினஸ் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணோம்னா இந்த மாதிரி பர்சனல் கமிட்மெண்ட் இருக்கிற பர்சனுக்கு ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி கிரியேட் பண்ற மாதிரி நம்ம பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு that is how my journey started as a founder of Corporate Solutions.
Very nice. It was truly inspiring, Renuka. So I didn't expect less from you, but physics teacher, that was a very new aspect for me in your professional profile, whatever we have seen as teacher. I have not seen that with you.
So one thing interesting, Sujata, இது எந்த பாட்காஸ்ட்லயுமே நான் சொன்னதில்ல. Maybe exclusively for WBC நினைக்கிறேன்.
Thank you so much. So audience, I think I'm really happy about this because Renuka has even given n number of podcasts and n number of interviews. So I'm happy about it. Thank you, Renuka. Thank you so much. So yeah. So I would like to ask, what was your biggest failure that you thought, but it led to a huge success after that?
சுஜாதா, நான் இதுல கொஞ்சம் என்னன்னா சக்சஸ் அப்படின்றது ஒரு டெஸ்டினேஷன் இல்ல, இது ஒரு ஜேர்னி அப்படின்னு நாங்க சொன்னோம். அதே மாதிரிதான் ஃபெயிலியர் இஸ் நாட் டெஸ்டினேஷன். நான் இது வந்து இந்த ஃபெயிலியர் பார்த்தேன், அதுல இருந்து எனக்கு ஃபுல்லாவே சக்சஸ் அப்படின்னு யாருமே சொல்ல முடியாது. குட்டி ஃபெயிலியர் பார்த்து ஒரு சக்சஸ் அடைஞ்சேன், அப்புறம் இப்போ ஒரு பெரிய ஃபெயிலியர் பார்த்துட்டு பெரிய சக்சஸ் அடைஞ்சிருக்கேன். சோ ஃபெயிலியர்ன்றது வந்து எல்லா ஸ்டேஜ்லயும் வரும். நான் அதை எப்படி பார்ப்பேன்னா இம்ப்ரூவைசிங் பாயிண்ட் அப்படின்றத மாதிரிதான் பார்ப்பேன். சோ நான் வந்து போய் ஃபீஸ் கட்டி ஒரு MBA படிக்கிறதை விட நான் ஒரு பிசினஸ் ஓனரா நான் என் ஃபெயிலியர்ல இருந்து நிறைய லேர்ன் பண்ணிருக்கேன். அதுக்கான செலவு ஜாஸ்தி தான் MBA விட ஆக்சுவலி. பட் failure is a journey where you can learn many things. One thing I can say, don't repeat the failures. Do new failure.
Oh, that's innovation. So, Renuka is telling us to explore failures because it's going to give you a lot of experience and learning. And I think that's the great lesson or takeaway, I think, from what you've said. Let us go to segment 2, Renuka. It's nothing but her instant picks. So from this, we are going to learn your personal taste, your favorites, and a little bit of your funny side, what you have within you, because we have all seen you as a leader.
Yes.
So let us see what you have.
Sujata, very super segment name. Her instant picks. Super the name. Super Sujata.
Thank you, Renuka. Thank you so much. So you were in HR. So let me ask you, starting from that, hiring or training?
I chose training.
Why?
Why? Because hiring is my professional journey where I am expertise in it. But training is passionate, which I am passionate about. Transforming people is my addicted process. So I choose training.
Okay. Resume or LinkedIn profile?
LinkedIn profile. I am very much I love on my professional journey, which I get more leaders into LinkedIn profile.
Okay. So you already have answered the work from home or office mode?
Work from home.
Okay, so you have been to several forums. So I would like you to answer for our audience. Do you prefer, many leaders I have seen giving me an answer, but let me see what I'm getting from you. Luxury brand or a local brand?
See, it's an interesting question. Branding is very important. Branding will be decided with the quality, not with the cost. Luxury and local will be defined as a cost. If you go to outside shops where the food is awesome, but if we go to 5-star hotel, the food is not much. Sometimes it's not good. So I choose the brand which has a quality. It cannot be luxury or local. According to the quality, the brand will decide.
Wonderful. Okay, that's very nice and thoughtful as well. Okay, saree or western wear?
So, comfort costume. That is one
comfort
side.
wear. Okay,
Yes.
because you're a travel freak, I know.
Yes.
So traveling in a comfort costume. Okay, heels or sneakers?
Sneakers.
Okay, money or freedom?
Freedom.
Yeah. More, we see that in you.
Yeah,
That's how
yeah,
it
yes.
inspires a lot.
Yes, money is a byproduct where you get peace within you.
You're a morning person or a night owl?
Morning, I'm a early bird.
Oh, I'm opposite. It's very difficult for me to get up in the morning. Okay, risk or comfort zone?
Risk, because comfort zone is not in my dictionary.
Oh, that's beautiful. I think we have to learn this, ladies, because if we are in comfort zone, we can never be like Renuka. So you just empower yourself and come out of your comfort zones. Startup or corporate, right?
Startup.
Startup. Okay.
Yeah. Corporate life is monotonous for me, but startup will have daily challenges
Nice.
where we can explore more things.
That's right. That's right. Books or podcast?
So I don't have it. Means I don't have interest in watching lengthy podcast video, but even though we are doing podcast, we are making it.
It was a purposeful question, and now I'm getting something, an opposite answer of that.
Book. If I study well, I become a doctor. But, so this both is not, but I learn from people. So learning is through human. That's what my choice.
Very nice, very nice. Okay, I'm going to get personal, audience. I think people should zoom in for this. Okay, so this question particularly, CEO life or Kayal's mother?
Oh my God, it is a very difficult question to choose.
I know that. That's why we have asked it.
Actually, I can say like I become CEO after mother.
Okay.
Okay, so mother as a CEO is my answer.
Okay, that is a little bit diplomatic. I think Kyle, watching this, I think please you should take this question ahead at home. Okay, Renika, that was very interesting. Now let us go to segment 3, which is She Means Business. So I'm going to ask you a few terms and I want you to relate it with your business and so that people can explain it much better. So being a leader yourself, I would like you, like, what will you coin a term like community building?
Community building is for others, not for own self. Being a founder, if you're building a community, it is for to help others, where we have to create an ecosystem that has been traveled for so long time if we are not there in this world also. It is like an ecosystem for a revolutionary act on which you are focusing on. If you are building a community for students, it has to be for students. It's not for your own self to grow by yourself. It is like a community to build an ecosystem for a revolutionary act where you can put a pathway to work for so long, generation to generations. This is what I am doing it right now.
Wonderful, wonderful. Well explained in your
Yeah,
terms.
so
Very nice.
shortly we can say we have to create history through community.
So very nice. Second one is again, what do you think about branding?
Okay, already we talk about branding in local and luxury. So branding is all about what you are solving factor.
Okay.
So in your business, you have a solving factor. That has to be branded more.
Okay, let
Then
me,
about
sorry to interrupt. Because we have taken this question you said, so I'm just changing the question. Let me put it in this way. What does Women Professional Connect or WPC as a brand you want to tell it to our audience?
excellent. Women Professional Connect is a forum which uplift women to give a beautiful strengthening future generation.
Wow, thank you so much.
This is what I want to do.
Thank you so much. Now we are entering into our fourth secret or a spicy segment for you.
Okay.
Where people are going to actually know, is it that way or you might get surprised as well. So this spicy segment. The first question is, I want you to reveal one secret or, one hidden truth or maybe a talent or maybe your options. You can pick anything. I mean, not only one because the audience should know about it.
Okay.
So please tell us anything, any truth or a hidden talent or anything, just one thing about yourself which people do not know.
People do not know about my hidden talent is like I'm a humorist. So I'm seen as a founder, a serious leader founder, like that, and people will call me and ask how to do pricing, how to do negotiation, how to do proposal. But I'm a to the core humorous person where my childhood friend and cousins knows more about it, where they can comment this video about my humorous, but that is what my hidden talent where I can make this people to laugh for so long. That is
a surprise for me because even when I saw Renuka, I was scared. I don't know because as a leader we see her, so it's very difficult that she has. We will explore more Renuka in our future.
But it's difficult in Women Professional Connect as I've been a humorist.
Exactly. Okay, now it's a visual segment. So let us see. So Renuka, I have shown you a picture.
Yes.
So I would like you to share this memory with us.
Okay, thank you for taking this picture. Actually, it has some outcome result to the audience. Why? Because I got my baby in 2017. On August. Okay. 2008, I got married and I got my baby in 2017. So from 2017, December month, we started do this practice where every new year, we will have some quote in our t-shirt to celebrate upcoming year. So from 2019, we following these rituals where we three will wear a t-shirt to welcoming upcoming year with that quote. So this memory is like secret is consistency.
Very nice.
Where 2023, where WBC and everything is growing so well, in December 2022, what happens, why we are getting a frequent success, why we are tasting success, that what the quote is done. So in 2023, our secret is consistency. We have to work for the success continuously.
That is
So,
wonderful.
yeah.
That's
And the
wonderful.
fact-
Very nice.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
wonderful.
From 2019 till 2025 December, we have different quotes where we 3 hole in our t-shirt. This is the memory.
Thank you so much, Renuka. That was wonderful session with you. And I know you were very busy and you have spared us your time. Thank you so much for the session. Thank you for tuning in into Voices of Women Professional Connect. If this conversation inspired you, do not forget to like, share and follow us for more such inspiring and powerful stories from women who are leading, growing and creating a great impact. Until next time, keep rising, keep leading and keep believing in your journey. Thank you so much.